Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Wednesday, the 13th of May. These are the charts of the day. Well, a nasty spill in the markets, and we'll see if the market follows to the downside, but it's not looking good, folks. The timing of this pullback was almost right on, and the patterns show lower. But there's still a lot of stocks popping and running during the day. Let's take a look at a few of them. Altimmune had a nice pop today, moving from the after yesterday's breakout. Today it went through resistance and tested the spike high from end of February when it reached 445, reaching exactly 445 today before pulling back. Looking to see if there's a follow through. If so, your targets are 5 and 3/4. Codx had an exceptional day today. I've been telling you that this swing was ready to roll, and once it got through that level and it just popped, stalled, and then today really big time ran up dramatically to get up to 23.42 and even reach 24 and a half after hours, 24.40, something like that. Looks like it might even accelerate here. So let's see if we can get this stock into the high 30s, low 40s. CREX popped after the falling wedge and then a breakout 2 days ago. It stalled yesterday, but today came right back on, finishing at 458, up $1.35 or 42%, with a high today of 598. So it did come way off the high, still closed up big on the day. IMUX 1018 down 52 cents, but after hours, check this out. Strong drug news. The stock exploded from a close of 1018 to reach 1530 and then went into a coil. Might be something to consider for tomorrow. We'll take a look at it. If it does run, targeting 16 and 3/4, 17 range. INO extended its move. It's the fourth day in a row, and it looks to me like we're going to make a run at 16 and a half range short term, looking very good. mRNA broke out 2 days ago, pulled back, and today reversed again to the upside. Looks like it's got a lot more to go, and my target now is over 80. NGVC with a big pop 2 days ago and a pullback. Today reversed course, went back up $1.50 or 11%. Light traded stock, but it could be one of those stocks that rips into the high teens, low 20s. NNVC broke a big coil yesterday, 2 days ago, and yesterday had a breakaway move. Today, a nice reversal engulfing type bar. I'm looking for a test at 12 and 3/4. We get to that, 18. Overstock. Really incredible chart considering how bad this looked at the March bottom. It's gone from 2.5, folks, to over 20. About an 8-fold increase. Right now, it's dangerous up here. There's resistance, but the momentum is fantastic. Might very well reach mid-20s before it falls apart. PGNY broke out of a base today with a breakaway gap. This is at 26.13 up 564 at 27.5% gain on 5.25 million. That's the biggest volume traded since the IPO, even higher than the IPO day back in October. Some resistance occurs at around 29. That's my near-term target. Secondary target, mid-30s. PGTI also popped out of a base with a breakaway gap and exploded on 2.5 million shares for 26%. I got a target now around 14.5, 3/4 up here. RVLV popped, pulled back, and reversed today. But after hours, check that out. Exploded from 13 to almost 17, 3/4 and backed off into the finish. Still trading there. But you can see that if it holds that area, 18 and 19, 20 zone may be doable. TBIO has been breaking out of a base. Big engulfing bar today, taking it from 1371 to 16 and finishing 1567 up 2 or 14.6%. I think this one has designs at higher levels. A parallel channel angle tells me this might be an $18, $19 stock short term. UNFI, explosive move. In the last 4 days, has gone from 10.5 to 23.5. And although it's overextended, overbought, longer term target is going to be, or at least the next target that it might reach, would be 27.8 zone. Wouldn't be surprised to see a pullback consolidation in this area. Upwk also exploded yesterday and followed through today. It's right at the gap, right at resistance. But after hours, check this out. Real big thrust of 14.5. Up another $1. And we'll be watching this one tomorrow for a move that might test 15.5. VTIQ, pretty incredible move, folks. In 5 sessions, has gone from 13 to 35. nearly tripling in a week. I'd say this is a little bit overbought short term, but I said that yesterday at 26 and it popped to 35, so you never know. Although it did pull back to 30, we'll see if there's a top in here. Vtvt is my final stock for today. After breaking out yesterday, closing above the breakout point, it reached secondary resistance and then blew through that. My target now is 4, 4.25. Secondary target would be up around 6. That's it for tonight's ideas and chart review. This is Harry Boxer. Good evening.